Understanding collision frequency in simple terms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and make learning fun and easy for everyone. Today, we're going to explore a term that might sound complex at first, but is quite interesting once you get to know it: collision frequency. Whether you're a science enthusiast or just curious about new phrases, this video is for you. Let's break it down together. Collision frequency refers to the number of times particles, such as atoms or molecules, collide with each other in a certain period of time. It's a term often used in chemistry and physics to describe how often these tiny particles bump into one another. The interesting part is, the faster these particles move, or the more of them there are in a space, the higher the collision frequency. Imagine being in a crowded room where everyone is walking around quickly. You're likely to bump into people more often. That's the idea behind collision frequency, but on a microscopic level. Understanding collision frequency is crucial in fields like chemistry because it helps scientists predict how quickly reactions will occur. For example, in a reaction where molecules need to collide to react, knowing the collision frequency can help predict the speed of the reaction. This concept is not just academic. It has practical applications in developing new medicines, materials, and in understanding environmental processes. Several factors can influence how often particles collide. These include temperature. Higher temperatures mean particles move faster and collide more often. Concentration. More particles in a given space leads to a higher chance of collisions. Pressure. In gases, higher pressure means particles are closer together, again increasing collision frequency. By understanding these factors, scientists can manipulate conditions to control reaction rates, which is vital in many industrial and research settings. So, there you have it, a simple explanation of collision frequency and why it's such an important concept in science. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing term and made your learning journey a bit more interesting. Remember, science is all around us, and understanding these terms not only enriches our knowledge but also connects us more deeply to the world we live in. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning!